Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
My name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, Shark Tank. Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful, expects $1 trillion more to flow into Bitcoin in the next couple of years. I was hoping he said months. So he also sees cryptocurrency becoming an institutional asset class. We don't know when, but it will definitely is going to come, and it's not going away, he said. Kevin O'Leary sees $1 trillion opportunity in Bitcoin and talked about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in an interview on CNBC's Capital Connection published on Monday. He said, I'm bullish on crypto. Added that he is also bullish on decentralized finance, DeFi, citing the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, pushing back against Coinbase Land product. He says that's a slowdown in what is really emerging and a very interesting space, Mr. Wonderful emphasized. We want to regulate to actually make some decision about crypto, but none of us are in a financial services want to actually be cowboys about this. I don't want to get involved in crypto if the regulator says it's not okay. I can't afford to be offside. I can't afford to be non-compliant, he continued. Referring to Bitcoin in particular, the Shark Tank star said if the regulators finally allowed financial services company to call it an asset, put it into an EFT on an exchange traded fund in the United States, like they have in Canada and other countries, I'd figure there'll be $1 trillion worth of buying into Bitcoin. And we don't have that yet. But that's the opportunity. So Mr. Wonderful elaborated, I think at the end of the day, over the next couple of years, that will happen. That's why there's so much interest in Bitcoin right now. At the current BTC price, capitalization at $850 billion based on data from Bitcoin.com. O'Leary added that all the institutional investors want to know when and how the regulators will get on side of the crypto and when they will consider cryptocurrency as an institutional asset class. He noted, we don't know when, but it's definitely going to come and it's not going away. Now, Mr. Wonderful also revealed his intention to increase his holdings, stating, I want to raise my exposure of crypto currently at 3% to 7% by the end of the year.
Wow. So this is
Amazing.
expected actually. This is expected. We are pretty sure that this is what the Bitcoin growth would be.
Yeah, timely, especially when you look at Bitcoin in the last 4 hours. You can see a very nice trend, Manish. Look at this green
Look
color.
at this.
Yeah,
Very
so
nice.
it's coming up and it actually crossed the moving 200-day average and a lot of
Yeah,
bulls coming in.
and after some point of time, this will be dream for everyone. That's all I can say. That people can only hold 0.0.00000 one Bitcoin
Almost
only.
in, yeah, 12 over zeros.
They cannot. People cannot own it. Means the average guys. I'm saying that average earning people cannot own it one full Bitcoin. So the time is going to come soon.
Right. And I think that's it. So that's all I have in the news today,
Yeah,
Manish.
so since soon our Bitcoin is going to be it's hard to buy for everyone, it's not be in reach for everyone. So today I'm going to cover 9 altcoin to diversify your portfolios.
Awesome.
So yeah,
So while Manish sets that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
yep. So while we are seeing the Bitcoin is going on a moon, and every day there are something bullish. The news are coming. Either countries are adopting, the financial institutions are adopting. So let's talk. Since it's going to be unreachable for everyone, so let's talk about a 9 altcoin to diversify your portfolios. While Bitcoin has usually dominated the cryptocurrencies, alt fair share of headlines, whether it's Dogecoin price rise or Ethereum update. It's good to learn more what an offer when investing or a crypto trading. So let me tell you, other than Bitcoin is altcoin. So as Bitcoin originated the cryptocurrency industry as we knew it, other coins and tokens are have become the alternatives. There are huge variety in the altcoin available, from a large cap coin like a Ether and BNB to token from newly launched projects. So everyone will think, right? Why should I invest in altcoins? While Bitcoin is the largest market cap coin and the most well-known cryptocurrency, you should diversify your investment portfolios as responsible investors. To do this in the crypto world, you are going to need to purchase altcoins. You can reduce your overall risk by exposing your cryptocurrency portfolio to a different coins and sectors in a crypto, like decentralized finance or a gamify. This way, if a Bitcoin crash in price, your other crypto investment may balance out some of the losses. Okay, so let me tell you, there when we are diversifying our portfolios, so there are platform-based tokens, then you have DeFi tokens, then you have a gaming tokens, then you have a meme coins. So let's talk let's talk on the platform tokens. So platform tokens, the first name comes in the mind is Ether, which is Ethereum. Ether is the native token of Ethereum platforms, created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and his team of co-founders. Ethereum was a huge technology development in the cryptocurrency ecosystems and is known as original second generation blockchain. It took a Bitcoin principle of decentralization and increased its utility with the programmable code. These scripts, known as smart contracts, are self executing and run according to a developer set of rules. They are also immutable, meaning that developer cannot change and them once they are deployed into the blockchain. The second one in the platform category comes Solana. Solana is the native token of the Solana blockchain launched in March 2020. Solana concentrates on scalabilities and use a novel consensus mechanism called proof of history. Proof of history replaces the time stamp of a block and instead use a hashing functions to measure time. This mechanism significantly increase the speed of the network. Solana also has a smart contract capabilities. The another one in the platform category is Polkadot. Dot is first minted in 2017 as the native token of Polkadot. The blockchain was developed by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, focusing on creating intro capable blockchains, and it has three main use cases: governance, staking, and bonding. So Polkadot also doing good. And the fourth one in the platform based is BNB. BNB is the native token of Binance Smart Chain and Binance Chains. These coins launched in 2017 on the Ethereum blockchain in an ICO to raise fund to develop Binance exchange service. In 2019, BNB moved to Binance Chain with a mechanism to convert the token from ERC20 token to a BEP2 token. Binance DEX decentralized exchange was built on Binance chain and used BNB as a utility token to pay reduced fees. User must also pay BNB to make transfer to blockchain and its gas based transaction system. Moving on to meme coins. While meme coins traditionally haven't provided much value for investors, they are increasingly offering high returns. If you do add one to your portfolio, be aware that they are especially high risk investment because they are not tagged with any projects. So number one in this meme coin is Dogecoin. Dogecoin was created by Jackson Palmer in December 2013 as a parody of cryptocurrency like a Bitcoin. Its blockchain is primarily based on Litecoin works, but its proof of work consensus method is not compatible with SHA-256 mining rigs. Although Dogecoin is a stare of the speculative nature of crypto, it has over the year become an investment opportunity with a significant gains. The next in portfolio should be stable coins. What are the stable coins? Adding a stable coins to your portfolio has benefit in your portfolio's liquidity and stability. They are low risk and can also be used in a product to earn consistent passive income. For example, Binance offer multiple way to stake your stable coin and get yield in a return. So, talking about the stable coin BUSD. BUSD is a fiat-backed stable based to the US dollar created by Binance. Unlike some other stable coin on the crypto market, BUSD maintain its peg with a ratio of 1 to 1 as a US dollar. The second one is DAI. DAI is a crypto centralized stable coin created in 2017 that tracks the US dollar. Decentralized autonomous organizations, the full form of DAO, called Maker, manage the running of the token. Each DAI token is over centralized with a crypto to make for its volatility and ensure the DAI price remain relatively stable. Now, the next coins comes for your portfolio is DeFi coins. DeFi projects are increasing issuing their own tokens for governance, staking, and profit sharing. Due to their multi use, the coins are versatile and offer many ways to earn rather than just holding. If you decide to purchase DeFi coin, you can usually influence the project development using your voting power. In this segment of coins, the first coin comes into the picture is Uni. Uni is a Uniswap native tokens and automated market maker and DEX on Ethereum. Although the Uniswap is launched on November 2018, the Uni tokens was minted later in September 2020 with a total supply of 1 billion Uni. The next one in the DeFi category is Cake, is a Pancake Swap. Native tokens launched in September 2020. Pancake Swap is an AMM and DEX on Binance Smart Chain that has seen a huge increase in the popularity. It is a fact a fork of Ethereum Uniswap. So I think we have covered about this Cake multiple times in our previous streams and previous videos where we have explained you how you can put it in a pool and earn a passive income. So if you want to check this out, you can just browse through our older videos. So now on the closing thought, investing in altcoin can be a good options if you want to diversify your crypto portfolio. If you are new to cryptocurrency, looking at some of the largest project mentioned here, the largest project which I have mentioned here, in a good starting point. Large market cap cryptocurrencies will typically be lower risk than similar more recent projects. So I think you can diversify your portfolios based on these cryptocurrencies. That's all I have it, Wayne.
Thanks, Manish. A lot of coins to cover, especially we're going to usher
Yeah.
into the bull. As I used to share this screen, let me just grab this out so you can look at Bitcoin tracker from Jan all the way to December, typically over the last 7 years. So now we are in September and we are going to the next 3 months. Hopefully, it's not like what happened in 2018. We can see 19 and 20 January, the last 2 months seems to be more stable. Of course, there are risks maybe towards December, and it really depends on regulations and also the whales, what how they want to actually try to game the market. So let's see what's happening. The fear index, of course, in the crypto space is going up. Yesterday we were at 30. Today, very nice, a nice jump, 49. You can see a nice, kind of going up, right? Over the last 1 month, you can actually see that we had a dip, but now we are climbing back up. So in the next few days, we will see a very nice run. Over on the VIX side of the stock market, of course, we at the 19, so still business as usual in the stock market. Last 24 hours looks good, very green. 50% is also held by Bitcoin, Ethereum about 20, Cardano still going strong in the top 3. Let's look at the cryptocurrency space. We have now climbing back again to 2.2 trillion. Now we are at 2.1, 11,000 cryptos, 400 over exchanges. 3 trending coins, CIS, Cardano, and Solana for today.
Wow.
Last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up by 3.21. Ethereum is 3.44. Cardano is 7.47. BNB is up by 6.53. USDT slightly down by 0.07. XRP is up by 2.47. Solana up by 0.695. Polkadot is down by 2.13. Doge is up by 1.61. USDC is down by 0.07. And the rest of the coins, Luna, Chainlink, something, an Avalanche drop, maybe some market cap have came out, but Terra is something also that a lot of investors are actually looking into, so that's something maybe we'll cover in the future. If you invested in the last 7 days, you will see that the percentage for the top 10 typically will be about 5%, right? Of course, Cardano is about 8% if you invested last week, but Polkadot, amazing jump, 33% in just 1 week. So, wow. Yeah, so these are the things. I mean, Polkadots, they are kind of all over the place, but with their new upgrade, they actually would come in. Solana, of course, still price target is at 200. Doge, we are waiting for Doge to hit $1. XRP is still going under the lawsuit, potential to explode. BNB $1,000, Cardano 3 to 5, Ethereum 10,000, Bitcoin 100,000 by the end of December. Of course, these are all predictive. It may not come true, or it may. So do your own research and trade wisely. Now, over at the we were talking about the golden cross. We are almost going to cross. I'm just looking at this. This is on the 1-day chart, and looking at this is a nice sign to see the bull, right? You see a green color. It actually crosses the 200 moving day average, so hopefully that becomes a new support line, and we come back to the 50,000 mark, and we'll go for the 64,000, which happened very long time ago, sometime in June. So, but on the 4-hour trend, you can see a very nice run up. Every 4 hours, you can see very bullish. More bulls are coming in, pumping Bitcoin, and when that happens, and when Bitcoin actually hits $100,000, most of the altcoin would 25x typically. I mean, that's how the ratio works. So we always keep eyes on Bitcoin. Of course, on the rainbow charts, HODL, name of the game, no change. Algorithm has been tracking this for nearly 10 years. Looking at the institution, since Mr. Wonderful from Shark Tank has mentioned, you can see MicroStrategy from 105 has increased. He bought recently.
Wow.
Increased. So last time in our previous video, Manish, we were talking about 0.5. Now it's 0.519. So he, even if it's up, MicroStrategy is still owning, and in terms of public owned companies of Bitcoin, he's ranked number 1, Mr. Michael Saylor. Tesla, of course, Elon Musk is second. Galaxy Holding, Voyagers, and Square Inc. All are catching up. Now in the hash rate, of course, there's slight dip in the hashing, but this is T-1. Looking at today's price at 48,000 per coin, we should be seeing this run up happen. So that's all I have today, guys. Thank you for joining us. Keep your questions coming. We are here live every day for you guys, educating awareness on the good news and the bad news. And we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel.
Yep. So do let us know if you have any further questions, and we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel.
Take care, guys.